How's it going today, YouTube? Well, today me and Damien are pulling this engine and transmission out of this truck, and we are going to try out the new Jinpol truck. So Damien's just undoing the transfer case bolts. We're gonna see if we can't do a cold start on this. All right, got this toolbox mounted in there, the support bar, put a spine on the back of that, made some little hook dealies, pretty nifty. I think she's ready to pull an engine, but we shall find out. All right, let's see if she'll start. All right, well, you know, last time we went through an epic battle trying to get this thing going, but I don't think we'll have that problem now. Don't work still. Nope. Of course, I think that wire's unhooked, but let's see if she'll crank. Gave her a few pumps. And if this don't work, we're going to the cherry picker, which that hasn't worked in quite a while. Hey! Oh my! Oh my goodness! It is really cold out right now too. How many times we went to take a sip of our beer and it turned to slush?
Ah, fuck, too many, bud.
Yeah. We'll let this warm up a while. All right, we're ready to pull her out. Got to get the Ford backed up. Hopefully the Jinpol is able to support all this.
Back, Smokey, I got your back door. Good. Yeah, I'm happy with that. That would be all right. You ain't got to be perfect. She gets pissed.
Look at the tires. I can tell you we have a set of tire chains, but they were frozen to the ground.
I guess I should have added some wind into that tire. She's pretty squatted. We may have to add a few leaves to this thing. What do you think?
Oh, they're going the wrong direction there, bud.
Should we add some leaves to her?
Send her.
We'll
We forever wish we did.
yeah, we'll make some bump stops. That's what we'll do. All right. Don't worry about that. That's properly being recycled.
That's the Cosby leftovers.
We'll clean that the proper way. But yeah. Oh boy, look at that thing.
She's a fucking unit.
Just squatted.
Hey, your safety strap didn't even get pulled tight.
No. You know, I cannot get rid of this Ford now. I have to. I wouldn't bounce. I would not bounce.
You don't want much more than that.
I am gonna add more braces up there. Even though
We're
it's
gonna need a weight box for the front of this thing.
yeah, the front end got light.
I wasn't pulling very hard, and it was trying to fucking do
I know, it's too cool.
Taking everything I had to not fucking keep bouncing.
Yeah, I just don't want it to rip out of there. It's bowing that pipe pretty hard. I think that those 4x4s are actually doing something. I don't think that pipe's the only thing doing something.
No.
But check out this rig. Got the tow hooks right there that need a bead welded on the front of them. Them are actually the front hooks off of that green Chevy.
4x4 angled.
It's angled to meet the flatness of that.
All right. I wasn't sure if it was already angled or not.
Don't hang out over top of this.
That is a fair point.
Yeah. That just ran through my head. And I don't want the same for you. But I think those actually have tension on them right now. That's why I stacked them up right there.
Right.
As like an extra support. This is clearly bowing. So I need to have something welded from there and bolted down to there to prevent some of the bowage, because right now this thing looks like a banana. Even with the spine welded on.
Tying across here.
I
Chain in a binder or
I
something.
could do that. Yeah, I just hate tying up chains permanently and ratchet straps. But all in all, I'm pretty impressed. It did the job. I think I'll just put some
One more pipe.
bump
Bring it up
stops.
to the front. Use 2 pieces of pipe and kind of tie them right in.
Right. Exactly. Or angle iron or something like that.
Yeah.
But realistically, that's about the heaviest thing that this thing's ever going to see on here. I mean, weight-wise, engines and transmissions, that's really it.
Yeah.
So, I mean, yeah, pickup beds and stuff like that, and maybe a cab or two. But the thing with cabs is it's not going to pick them up real high unless you added like an extension onto it. But we'll worry about that further on down the line.
Right.
But all in all,
That was a success.
it was a success. And Hobart Tractor Supply BuzzBox welds right there. Proof is in the pudding right there. So
I got all your gaps closed on it.
all the gaps closed. Yes. I think the spine was a good idea to add that on. I think I may want to do the same thing right here, because that is bowing pretty good.
Maybe farther back seems to be the issue.
Yeah.
Seems to want to bow. Not like right
All
here.
the tension is right there. It's
You can see
wanting,
where it's wanting to bow right here.
because all of it is held up right there. If that bar wasn't there, this thing would go.
Like a big
Guaranteed.
old cantilever, just
Guaranteed.
send that shit to the moon.
Yeah.
Let's find out. We can cut that bar and see how far it sends that toolbox.
Yeah. finally found a home for that toolbox. Well, I'd call that a success. I think Damien and I are going to have a celebratory brewski, right?
Yeah.
So now we have this LS engine that we have nothing to do with. We're going to have to find something to put it in. We need the transmission, obviously, for that truck. But the engine, haven't a clue what it's going to go in. So, something should be coming soon. All right, till next time. Like, comment, subscribe. Franklin Stein's Garage.